Hi friends, for all the mathematics solutions, derivations, formulas, please subscribe and click the bell icon here. Thank you. Yes. Now we will learn trigonometry. Now we will learn trigonometry exercise. Trigonometry exercise 11.1 third problem. 11.1 third problem. Okay. The third problem is given like this. In a right angle triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle ABC, a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angled at B, a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, in which A, small a, 24 units, and small b, 25 units. Small b, 25 units. And BAC, angle BAC is given as theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. So you will see solution for this, how to find. So first we have to draw right angle triangle based on that given information. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. So 90 degrees, angle B mark here. A, C, remaining part. Then small a, 24 units given. So here, how to mark this small a? Vertex A, opposite side should be this small a. That is a general notation. Vertex A, opposite side we have to mark small a answer, 24. B, vertex B, opposite side we have to take this one, 25. And one side is left, we have to find this by applying Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square 25. AB square we have to find. BC square 24. 625. 25 square is 625. 24 square left hand side 576. AB square. Okay. So 625 minus 576 you will get 49. AB square. 49 nothing but 7 square. AB square. Then 7 equals to AB. AB answer is 7. Mark here. Now we will find our answer. Find cos theta. Cos theta formula is what? Theta we have to mark. BAC angle. BAC. BAC. Here theta. So cos theta is adjacent. Cos theta is formula is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Theta is here. Adjacent side means 7. Hypotenuse is 25. So 7 by 25. The same way tan. Tan formula is what? Opposite to theta by opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is opposite is 24. Theta here. Opposite side is 24. Adjacent side 7. So 24 by 7. This is the answer for tan theta. Tan theta 24 by 7. Cos theta 7 by 25. These are the answers. Thank you.